AI writers, AI image generators, and AI presentation tools. And most of them do one thing fairly well, but then fall apart when you try to actually use them for real work. So this is one of those things where you think, do we really need another AI tool? There are lots of them already out there. Well, recently I've been testing something that's trying to do something a bit different. Instead of being an AI specific tool, it's more like an all-in-one productivity tool. It can help with things like presentations, research, images, writing, studying, all from one place. And that tool is called oreate.ai. I've been playing around with it over the last few days to see just how useful it actually is in real tasks, not just demos. And I've got to say, some parts of it are actually genuinely impressive. But there are a few things worth noting before you rely on it too heavily. So in this video, I'm just going to go through all the features, what it does, how it works, and whether it's truly worth the asking price. And will it compete with other AI tools? So at its core, oreate.ai is basically a content generation platform. It's designed for people like students, office workers, teachers, researchers, or content creators. The idea is simple. Instead of jumping between a bunch of different tools to different jobs, you can generate slides, images, essays, learning materials, and even podcasts all inside the same platform. And the focus seems to be saving time on all the boring parts of work. Formatting slides, structuring documents, creating the visuals, all the bits that normally take you ages. The first thing I tried, and probably the feature most people will use, is Slide Generator. And honestly, this is where the platform makes a strong first impression. Normally, when you build a presentation, you have to research the topic, structure the information, design the slides, and format everything. With oreate.ai, you basically just type in a topic, something like future of electric vehicles. And within about 30 seconds, it generates an entire presentation. Title slides, sections, bullet points, and layouts. What surprised me the most is that the slides already look quite polished. It feels more like a proper presentation template rather than something quickly generated. You can go in and edit the content, tweak wording, or export the slides the way they are. Another useful feature is that you can upload documents or PDFs and the system will extract key information and turn that into slides automatically. For things like reports, coursework, or meetings, that could be a lifesaver in terms of time. Now obviously, like any AI tool, you still need to check the content, but as a starting point, it's genuinely pretty impressive. The next feature is image generation. Now this space is already quite crowded, but the approach here is simple. Instead of using design software, you can describe what you want. Within about 30 seconds, Oreate generates images based on that prompt. It uses a model called Nano Banana Pro, which focuses on clearer visuals and better text rendering. The results I got were actually fairly solid. Nothing groundbreaking compared to dedicated AI image tools, but definitely good enough for things like presentation visuals, social media graphics, blog images, or thumbnails. And for people who don't want to deal with design software, it's a quick solution. Now the next feature is called AI Tutor, and this is actually quite an interesting idea. Instead of just generating text, the AI can turn study material into different learning formats. You can upload things like lecture notes, course slides, research papers, and the system converts them into things like mind maps, infographics, flashcards, and quizzes. So instead of staring at a wall for text, you get a visual breakdown of the information. For students especially, this could be useful for revision or exam preparations. For example, turning a long document into flashcards or summarizing key concepts quickly. It basically acts like a kind of AI study assistant. Again, you'll want to check accuracy, but as a way of organizing information faster, it is quite clever. Another big feature is the AI Essay Writer. This one is aimed mainly at students or research work. The platform claims it can generate very long essays up to around 20,000 words, which is certainly a lot longer than many other AI tools manage comfortably. You'll also get editing tools where you can expand photographs, rewrite sections, and summarize content. There is also something they call AI detection optimization, which basically tries to make the writing sound more natural and less robotic. Personally, I treat AI writing as a starting point rather than the final product, but for outlining or drafting longer work, it can definitely save time. Now finally, one of the more useful features is the AI podcast generator. You can type in a topic and the AI will research the subject, write a script, and convert it into an AI podcast. The whole process takes about 3 minutes. Now this is certainly interesting for things like learning materials, content ideas, or turning long documents into something you can listen to instead. For example, you could turn a research paper into an audio summary while doing something else.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. I'm your host, Mia, and today we're diving headfirst into one of the most legendary, mind-bending events in, well, I guess you could call it modern folklore. We're talking about Roswell. You know, the incident that really set the stage for 1,000 conspiracy theories.
Hi, Mia. I'm Lucas, and it's great to be here to...
After using oreate.ai for a few weeks now, I can safely say it's more than just a specific AI tool. It's more like an AI toolbox. Instead of switching between presentation tools, image generators, writing assistants, studying tools, you are getting an all-in-one package. It tries to bring everything together in one place. For people doing a lot of research, studying, or content creation, that convenience can definitely save time. That said, like most things, AI tools right now, they're not perfect. So you'll need to review the output, fact-check information, and tweak things occasionally. But as an all-in-one AI productivity platform, it actually covers quite a lot. It is trying to remove a lot of the time-consuming setup work that goes into things like presentations, study materials, and content creation. And in that sense, it does a pretty solid job. Now, if this AI tool is something of use to you, be sure to check it out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.